Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So we're looking at Tesla. I had a covered call in Tesla. You say I had? Yeah. So the stock closed at higher than the strike price of 740. Gamble didn't pay off. So they will be selling my stock and closing this call this weekend. It's Friday. It's after the close. Not super cool because I could have rolled it earlier in the day and still had some decent premium. It was down to 750, I think, in early trading, and I thought it was going to go down. Nope, it went up. So gamble didn't pay off, and near the end of trading, tried to roll it. Really wasn't worth it, so I'm going to let it reset, sell that off, and sell another cash covered put next week. See how it goes. Alright guys, still bullish on Tesla. Tell me what you guys think. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.